Hello, kids! Welcome to Day 3 of our English Grammar series. Today, we are going to learn about adjectives, words that make our sentences colorful and fun. An adjective is a word that describes a noun. It tells us more about a person, place, animal, or thing. Adjectives can describe people. For example, a happy girl, a tall boy, a small baby. Adjectives help us see and feel the person in our mind. Adjectives also describe places. For example, a beautiful park, a big school, a small house. They make places more interesting in our sentences. Adjectives describe animals too. For example, a cute kitten, a big elephant, a fast rabbit. Adjectives make animals fun and lively in our stories. Adjectives can describe things too. For example, a red ball, a round table, a soft pillow. They make objects easier to imagine. Now it's your turn. Can you describe your favorite toy using an adjective? Maybe it's soft, small, or colorful. Try saying it out loud. Let's remember, adjectives are describing words. They describe people, places, animals, and things. They make sentences better and clearer. Great job today. See you in the next lesson. Great learning today. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe for more fun English lessons. See you in the next class.